Hello and welcome to You, and You. I'm the Budget Boss, and today we are diving into the essentials of budgeting. The first crucial steps towards financial freedom. Yes, I love it. Whether you're a budgeting novice or you're looking to refine your skills a little bit, I have 5 tips. Tip number 1, in our budgeting arsenal, we have to track that income. Track your income. Make sure that you include every single source of income, from your salary to your side gig, your freelance work, Uber, Amazon, whatever it is. Having the exact income figure is where successful budgeting begins. Tip number 2, let's talk about breaking down those expenses. Categorize them into fixed versus variable. Your fixed expenses are going to be the constants like rent, mortgage, utilities, and then your variable ones are going to be those expenses that fluctuate like groceries and entertainment. Making this differentiation helps you identify where your money is going. Our third tip, create a detailed list of all expenses, every single one, big or small. This comprehensive breakdown is going to give us a clear picture of where that money flowing to every month. It's going to provide us a foundation for effective budgeting. And that's going to lead me to tip number 4, prioritize. Identify the essential expenses, those non-negotiable ones like your house, your utilities, your groceries. By prioritizing these, you ensure that your crucial bills are covered first, and it helps you to gain a better understanding of what exactly is your discretionary income. Tip number 5, let's set some realistic goals. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, emergency fund, have clear, achievable goals set. This is what's going to guide your budgeting efforts towards a tangible outcome. Get you centered in. All right, budget bosses, that is our 5 tips for today. Budgeting 101, getting started with your budget so that you can lay a firm foundation for your financial wellness. Please consider sharing, subscribe, like, ring that notification bell, and say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. I see you later.